Hello everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome to Unified Study. Kalani, Sarita, good evening. Riddhima, good evening Riddhima. So Riddhima, your all doubt is clear. Have you seen the previous recording? Welcome to Unified Study Riddhima. Your all doubt is clear. Everything is clear, right? First two recording done. So today is the third class. Hello Vanu. Today is the third class of propositional logic. So before that we have clear our concept. So today we will solve more question and more concept will be clear today. Propositional logic, try to solve with me, so that from propositional logic 4 marks, 4 to 6 marks, whatever marks will come in your exam, that will be confirmed. If your logic is confirmed, if your logic is clear, you will be able to solve any type of question. That's why I am solving here every types of question, so that your logic should be clear. And Kalani and Sarita, please एक बार सबको मैसेज कर दो कि क्लास इज स्टार्टेड. They are waiting for the message. So please message them the class is started. Okay, and you all about know about me. Every day I am forgetting to add the slide. पेपर में टफ आए है, कुछ भी टफ नहीं है, कुछ भी टफ नहीं है. प्रीवियस ईयर्स पेपर वी विल सॉल्व नाउ. Nothing is tough. Previous year's paper we will solve now. No issue. Okay, everything is very easy. Don't worry. Everything is very easy. Don't worry. So conjunction, disjunction is everything is done yesterday. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update. And please share with everyone. Okay. And this was in inverse, converse and contrapositive. So what is inverse? Inverse means P implication Q. You can write it inversely, that is you cannot write that is P implies Q means not P implies not Q. Okay, that is the inverse. These are not same. Don't be confused with that कि these are not same. P implies Q मतलब आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हो कि not P implies not Q. Okay, this is not same, because if some example I can take, that is good. Any one example? Can you tell me any example? P implies Q, not P implies not Q. For that example, any example, if any example is coming to your mind, then please tell me. And from here, black, gray, sweet. Yes. From here I can imply that is the rose implies red. Okay, so is it means ki not rose implies not red? Can you tell that? Rose implies red, we can say that, right? Rose implies red. But can we say that ki not rose implies not red? No, because that is inverse. That's why both are not same. Okay, and what is converse? Converse means P implies Q does not mean Q implies P. Okay, it means all leaves are green. All leaves are green. So leaves implies green. but can you say that ki green implies leaf? Can you say that ki green implies leaf? No, right? So that are not same. P implies Q, that are not same like Q implies P, that is calling converse. And what is contrapositive? Now come to the contrapositive. Contrapositive means P implies Q equals to not Q implies not P. Here it is the changing, it is changing the right hand side and left hand side also, and it is changing the not also. So from here what it is, that rose implies red, means we can write that ki not red implies not rose, that are same. Not red implies not rose. From the given statement you can say that ki rose can be orange color, rose can be pink color, but from the given statement it is actually same. Ki if it is telling ki all rose are red, then if you say that is not red, means that is not rose. So this is the contrapositive. So please remember that ki inverse is not same, converse is not same, but contrapositive is same. Okay, this type of question is coming in the exam. Okay, now this is a truth table. From this truth table it will be more clear to you. So actually I have cleared everything through the example. So if you are interested, then when you are watching the recording, please go through this truth table and try to write down the truth table in your notebook, so that your concept will be more clear. That is the truth table, means here it is P, Q, here it is not P, not Q. So just write down that is not P implies Q, not Q implies not P, not P, same will come. Okay, just for your concept, try to write down this with yourself. Don't do copy, don't get the copy from here, try to do yourself. This is your homework, try to do by yourself, so your concept will be more clear if you do this chart. Okay, now what is logical equivalence? Logical equivalence is if P is true, then Q is also true. No, don't write now. Don't write now, Manish. Write after the class. Try to take the notes after the class. Okay, because everyone is waiting. We have to finish the class on time. So try to take the recording. How use, ma'am? What how use? रिद्धिमा पेपर में टफ आया है. हाउ यूज मैम मीन्स कौन सा? हाउ यूज मैम मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन लाइक ट्रूथ टेबल, यू नो राइट? P implies Q, implication truth table. Hi Shomo, implication truth table you know, so apply the implication truth table. I think you saw already the video of implication truth table. So using that truth table you have to write down. We know that is false, false is true, false, true is true, true, false is false, and true, true is true. Using that way you have to write down. Okay. And logical equivalence. What is logical equivalence? Logical equivalence we are writing in this way. In this way or this way. This is the logical equivalence. Logical equivalence means if P is true, then Q is also true. And if P is false, then Q is also false. That is called the logical equivalence. Sometimes it is writing like that, sometimes it is written like that, or sometimes it is written like that. All are same. All are same. P implies Q and Q implies P. That is the meaning of logical equivalence, that P implies Q and Q implies P. When both are same, that is the meaning of logical equivalence. Okay? Clear? That is the logical equivalence. Now, there are some chart you have to remember for the exam. That will be easy for you to remember. That is, actually it is coming from the digital logic. Same concept of digital logic. Try to learn propositional logic and digital logic in same way. So you will be able to solve the digital logic question also. you will be able to solve the digital logic simplification question also, and also the propositional logic. So from this class, actually not only propositional logic, you are learning digital logic also. Try to relate, because same concept, same rules, everything is same, only the sign are changes here. Only we are in digital logic, we are adding the and, means we are writing like dot, and here we are writing like this. And in digital logic we are writing or like plus, and here we are writing like or. Others all are same. So if your this concept is clear, then from digital logic also some simplification is coming. There also 2 to 3 question is coming. So you will be able to solve actually 5 to 6 question you will be able to solve if your concept is clear here. Okay, how to use rule, that's I am telling, that is I am telling Radhima, how to use rule. Okay, one by one your concept will be clear. So these are the rule. Here see, P and T means, here you can write ki P dot 1. T means what? True means always 1 and false means always 0. Right? Something with 1, that is P. P and 1 means P dot 1, that is true. True means P. P or, here this is or, right? So P plus 0, that is P. P plus 0, P or F means P plus 0, that is P. And here P or T means P plus 1. P plus 1, anything with 1. Anything with 1 you can think like that, x is 0 or 1, anything can be there. If you do x plus y, and if y is always 1, then it is not affecting this, because for when you are doing addition, then whatever the value can be 0, value can be 1, definitely it will be 1. For addition, for the OR gate, if one value is 1, then both are 1. That's why P plus 1 is always 1, means if you are adding 1 with anything, if at least 1 is there and after that any combination of anything is there, that will be 1 always. This rule is applied so many times in digital logic and in propositional logic also. This is very, very important. Please remember that. If you add 1 with anything, it will become 1, because for addition, for an OR gate, always it is true that if at least 1 is true, means total result will be true, right? This is very important, please remember that. And now and means what? That is in AND gate, if at least 1 is false. If at least 1 is false or 0, means total result will be 0, right? That is the AND gate. For the AND gate, when all are true, then only it is coming true. If at least 1 is false, then final result is coming false, right? That's why P dot 0 is always 0. If you are multiplying 0 with anything, it can be infinite, anything, that is 0, right? P or P. Now P or P means P plus P is P. P plus P is P, right? It can be 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 1 is 1. Because in digital logic, in propositional logic, 0 and 1, uske after or false and true. False plus false equals to false, or true plus true equals to true. Other than that is not possible, right? Now P and P. P and P means what? That is you are multiplying. That is P dot P is always P. Means 0 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1, right? 0 1 छोड़कर तो और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है ना, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, इसको छोड़कर और कुछ नहीं है. सो दैट इज द कमिंग रूल. These are the rule. You have to apply the rule in that way. So these are the name of the rule. This is the identity law. This is the domination law. Domination means here 1 is dominating all. Here 0 is dominating all. This is idempotent law. Idempotent means when both are same, then same result is coming. Now not, double negation. This is the double negation, means not and uske andar फिर not, means it is coming P only, because not then not 0. What it will come? It will not 1, that is 0 will come, right? Not 0 means not 1 means 0 will come, that is same is coming, right? This is called the double negation. And now commutative. Commutative means what? P plus Q equals to Q plus P. Definitely, because 0 plus 1 equals to 1 plus 0. Everything. Good evening, Sunita. And P and Q. P dot Q equals to Q dot P. Right? That is calling commutative law. Means right hand side, left hand side, it does not matter. Both are same. If you are writing right hand side, that is also same. Right, left, it is also same. That is the commutative law. Now associative law. What is associative law? That is P or Q or R. Means here we are doing addition only. That P plus Q is inside the bracket and after that R. That is same, right? That is P plus you can write plus R. That are same because it is 0 plus 1 plus 1. If it is that, and 0 plus 1 plus 1, same result will come, right? So this is the associative law. And for same with the AND gate, that is the for AND gate also this is same. That is P dot Q and dot R equals to P dot Q dot R. Always try to put some 0 and 1. When you are learning the formula, don't do like root learning. Don't try to learn it like cramming or root learning. Always when you are learning the formula, this formula is common for propositional logic and digital logic. Always try to put the value and try to understand why it is coming. Try to put the value 0 and 1. And using if you are putting the value, then you will never forget the rule. No need to cram the rules. Try to understand the rules, so you will be able to solve easily the question. If the concept is clear, no need to cram the rule, okay? No need to cram the rule. Try to understand all the rule. Now next rule is distributive law. Distributive law already we have discussed, I think. No, distributive. This is the distributive, means here P or and inside there is AND. Means what we are doing? P plus Q dot R. P plus Q dot R. So what it is coming actually? We can write that P plus Q dot P plus R, right? P plus Q dot R is here. That is telling here. So we can write P plus Q dot Q plus R. This is written here. And for same here also, here it is writing that P dot Q plus R. That is nothing that PQ plus QR. Same is written here. PQ plus QR. Right? That is called distributive law. Now De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is when there is bar. That is P dot Q bar. P dot Q bar equals to not P plus not R, not Q. Not P dot Q bar equals to not P plus not Q. This is very, very important. Try to remember this De Morgan's law. This is very, very important for propositional logic and for digital logic both. Right? You are writing like that P dot Q bar equals to P bar plus Q bar in digital logic. This is very important. And P same also for OR gate also. P plus Q bar equals to P bar dot Q bar. Right? Clear? So this is very, very important. Here 5 star is there. De Morgan's law is very, very important. Try to remember the De Morgan's law. When there is bar in the multiplication, then it will be converted to OR gate. When there is multiplication, it will be converted to addition. When that is addition, it will be converted to multiplication. And the not, the negation will be same for the both. Negation will come with both. Okay, please remember this. And absorption law. What is absorption law? If you see that what it is doing here, P plus Q, P dot Q equals to, it is telling what? P. Why? Try to remember, try to learn that P plus P dot Q is coming here. What it is there? That is P plus P dot Q. So if you take, I am taking P is 1 and this is 1 and this is 0. ठीक है? P I am taking P is 1 and P is here 1 and Q is 0. So what it will come? 1 plus 1 dot 0, that is 1 is coming, right? 1 is coming, right? Here P plus P dot Q, so 1 is coming. And if you take P equals to 0, same it will come. P plus P dot Q is there. If you take P equals to 0, then also 0 dot, if you take 1, then also 0 plus it will come 0, that is 0. So actually whatever inside is there, it is not the matter. It is not the matter. It is coming from here only. What is there? It is affecting, means it is absorption. It is depending on the value of P. It is depending on the value of P. That's why this is called absorption law. That's why this is called absorption law. And for this one also, P dot P plus Q. If you take this is 1 and this is 1 plus 0, it will come 1. And if you take 0, 0 plus 1, that will come 0. Okay. So this is called, here there is dot. So here that is called absorption law. Absorb कैसे हो रहा है? कि absorb, it is doing absorb inside. After that whatever it is absorbing everything, only P is coming the result. So if you forgot the formula also, then you can apply this theory. Try to apply this and try to learn practically, so you will be never forgot. This theory, this formula are very important for your for solving the simplification. Okay. Now negation law. What is negation law? P or not P is true, definitely, because if you take P equals to 0, then 0 plus 1, definitely it will be always 1, right? Or if you take it is 1, so 1 plus 0, it will be definitely 1. And for and also if you take 1 dot not 0, 1 dot 0, that is every time it will be false, or 0 dot 1, every time it will be false. P plus negation P is always true, because what? At least 1 will be 1. If it is 0, then negation will be 1. If it is 1, then negation will be 0. So definitely it will come true. And for the and, when you are doing multiplication, then at least 1 should be 0. That's why result will be every time 0. Got it? That is called negation law. So all the law is clear to everyone. It is my theory. I am trying to understand the law by putting the value. And if you learn all the law by putting the value, then you will never forget. Okay? Don't cram the law. Cramming is not the good way. Don't cram the law. P plus P bar Q bar equals to P plus Q. मैम ये भी एब्जॉर्प्शन लॉ में है क्या? मनीष आप डिलीट कर दिए, क्या हुआ? Clear? Riddhima, now how to apply the formula? From yesterday you was asking how to apply the formula, so it is clear to everyone. Any doubt in any formula? identity law, domination law, idempotent law, double negation law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, De Morgan's law, absorption law, negation law. All law is clear. That is not only for propositional logic, also digital logic. Both class is going on today. Both class is going on today, that is for digital logic and also propositional logic. These laws are very important. No doubt, right? Okay. So this is the chart. This is the chart for your last minute revision. I have written this chart. I have taken from my notebook, so you can write it for your last minute revision. Okay, this chart will be helpful for you all. Okay. How to use we learn now. Yes, how to use you learn now. Okay, now I will give you the question. There you can easily understand that how to use. Okay, after the class please try to write down all the law and try to understand. Don't cram, try to understand all the law. Okay. Now this is also the some rule. Yes, yesterday we have discussed the rule, that is P implies Q is given and P is given, then it is Q is true. That is called the modus ponens rule. Yesterday we have discussed how it is coming, and there is the name. So what is the name? That's why I am written here. This is called modus ponens rule. Okay, and the P implies Q and not Q is given, that is come not P, that is modus tollens. Okay, modus ponens and modus tollens is done. And here hypothetical syllogism, someone asking yesterday. Who was asking yesterday? Yesterday someone was there that he was asking hypothetical syllogism, that is P implies Q and Q implies R, that is P implies R. Hypothetical syllogism means it is like transitive property. It is like transitive property. When P implies Q is there and Q implies R is there, then P implies R. Yesterday someone was asking about hypothetical syllogism. Who was that? Someone was asking hypothetical syllogism. I think he is not there. And disjunctive syllogism, all we have learned yesterday, the name. Now these are the name of the theory. Disjunctive syllogism is disjunctive syllogism is P implies P or Q and not P is given, that is Q. Okay, and addition, P is given, that is P or R. Don't try to learn the formula learn करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yesterday we have discussed everything. Yesterday we have discussed everything. That is only the formula. This is the name of the formula. Yesterday whatever we have discussed about this, that how to prove. Now you understand how to prove. Now these are the formula. This is the formula of resolution. Okay, try to prove it in your home. You will be it is very easy to prove after the yesterday class. These are the name. Okay, any doubt here? If you have any doubt, then ask me, I will discuss, otherwise I will move to next. First one, how it is coming? P implies Q, it is given, and P is true is given. So what will be true? P implies Q is true and P is also true, then definitely Q will be true, right? And modus tollens is telling P implies Q is true and not Q is given, not Q is true means definitely it is not P, right? P implies Q बोल रहे हैं and not P is true means actually Q is false. So if Q is false, then P is also false. Right, in that way you have to solve only. Yesterday we have discussed everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will suggest you that please try to solve this, that how it is coming. Right? Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in modus ponens, modus tollens, hypothetical syllogism, disjunctive syllogism, addition, simplification, conjunction, resolution? Any doubt? Just try to take that the statement is given that are true and conclusion is true or not, what it is coming from the conclusion. Okay. Now try to solve this. Try to solve this. Try to solve the question. Can we take 0, 1? No. Here 0, 1. Here 0, 1 you cannot. Here you have to think logically. Here 0, 1 you cannot. 0, 1 कैसे यहाँ पे लोगे? यहाँ पे 0, 1 लेके प्रूव नहीं कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आपको लॉजिकली सोचना है. जैसे हम लोग कल लॉजिकली सोच रहे थे ना कि P implies Q is given true. मतलब if P is 0 then Q is also 0. और if P is 1, ऐसे नहीं सोच सकते. 0, 1 से नहीं होगा. आप लॉजिकली सोचो इसको, जैसे हम लोग कल कर रहे थे. नो दैट इज नॉट वेरी टफ रिद्धिमा. इसमें कंक्लूशन ट्रू होगा ना. हाँ, इसमें हर टाइम आपका कंक्लूशन, इसमें कंक्लूशन क्या आ रहा है वही आपको देखना है. यहाँ पे कंक्लूशन बता रहा है Q इज कंक्लूशन, दैट इज ट्रू. Here not P is your conclusion, that is true. Here P implies R is coming, that is true. Just after the class, try to think. Try to write all the rules one by one. Try to write the rules and try to think logically. How was we were yesterday we were solving like that, right? कल हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे थे जैसे, वैसे सोचो. थोड़ा अपना दिमाग लगाओ, थोड़ा लॉजिकली ट्राई करो, लॉजिकली थिंक लॉजिकली. देन दिस इज वेरी इजी. ट्राई टू थिंक लॉजिकली. If you are facing any issue, then let me know. Then definitely I will explain. But try it once. This is very easy. You can do it. And everything I have written here also. That is, if P is true, see that everywhere it is given, written here, that P is true and P is true given, then Q is true. If P implies Q is true given and Q is not true given, then P is not true. And for this one, if P or Q is true and P is false, then Q is true. Okay. Riddhima, you are facing tough because you are not opening your mind. Try to think in open-minded. Always when you are learning any new thing, definitely that is difficult for all. But पहले आप उसको दिमाग से हटाओ कि ये टफ है. पहले आप खुद को ट्रेन करो. नहीं, maybe it is tough, but if I try it, definitely I will get that. ठीक है. आप कंप्यूटर साइंस का स्टूडेंट हो, आपको लॉजिकली बहुत स्ट्रांग होना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आप कंप्यूटर साइंस में बहुत दूर जाना चाहते हो, इफ़ यू वांट टू क्लियर JRF, इफ़ यू वांट टू डू PhD, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट ए जॉब लाइक असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, देन आपको लॉजिकली क्लियर होना ही है. ठीक है. दिमाग से पहले ये जो कॉन्स्टेंट है ना आपके सामने कि ये बहुत टफ है, ये बहुत टफ है, इसको हटाओ. इसको हटा के आप ट्राई करो कि हाँ चलो एक नया कुछ सीखने मिला है, कुछ नया कुछ सीख रही हूँ. कैसे सीख रही हूँ? मे बी पूरा एक दिन लग जाएगा. ये मुझे भी अंडरस्टैंड होने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगा. प्रोपोर्शनल लॉजिक अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए आपको टाइम लगेगा, पहले हो सकता है पहले 1 वीक टाइम लगेगा, बट if you clear your concept in 1 week, then everything will be easy for you. Not only propositional logic, it is very related thing with everywhere. It is related with digital logic, it is related with neural network, it is related with AI. Everywhere it will be used, and it will be used in also first paper also. In first paper also there are logic, there are syllogism, there are square of opposition. So logic is everywhere, right? So you cannot ignore the logic. That's why try to improve your logical skill. दिमाग से पहले ये हटा दो, ये बहुत टफ है. दिमाग को कभी ऐसा ट्रेंड मत करो कि ये टफ है, ठीक है? अपने दिमाग को ये बताओ ये बहुत इजी है यार, तुम समझ जाओगे. अपनी दिमाग को अगर पहले ही बता दोगे ये टफ है तो उसके ऊपर हो जाएगा, नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं होगा. दिमाग एक बच्चा है, उसको बच्चे के जैसा ट्रीट करो कि नहीं मैं कर सकती हूँ, तुम कर सकते हो. जस्ट बहुत इजी है, देखो 5 मिनट देखना है, 5 मिनट देखने से हो जाएगा. अपनी दिमाग ना बहुत बच्चे जैसा है, बच्चे जैसा ट्रीट करो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. और पहले ही अगर आप दिमाग को बता दोगे ये टफ है, नहीं होगा, नेवर. दिमाग एक एकदम बच्चे जैसा है, बच्चों जैसा दिमाग को ट्रीट करो, बच्चे जैसा उसको भुला के रखो कि बहुत इजी है यार, कर लो 20 मिनट पढ़ लो, हो जाएगा. 20 मिनट ही आपको पढ़ना है. पहले बताओ 5 मिनट पढ़ना है, आप 5 मिनट पढ़ लो तो हो जाएगा. ऐसे सोचो, हो जाएगा, ठीक है? थोड़ा जो भी नेगेटिविटी है वो पहले हटाओ. नेगेटिविटी होगा तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? नाउ ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. रिमूव ऑल नेगेटिविटी एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. Remove all negativity and try to solve this, everyone. रूल तो एक ही है, इम्प्लीकेशन रूल. रूल तो एक ही है यहाँ पे, इम्प्लीकेशन रूल. इम्प्लीकेशन रूल यूज करो. Try everyone, try. Here I can give you only tricks that whatever you can solve easily, try to solve that option, and which option is little bit difficult to solve, just ignore that option first. Try to solve other option first, then try to solve if any option is little bit difficult, then just keep that option and do another option. Try to solve another option. Okay. If some option you are getting some difficulty, okay, Sunita is giving the answer. Very good, Sunita. What about others? I am waiting, everyone. Please reply, try it. थिंक लॉजिकली, थिंक लॉजिकली। बहुत इजी है, ये सोचो बहुत इजी है, थोड़ा इजी वे में सोचो। इजी वे में सोचोगे तो 2 मिनट का है, 2 मिनट का खेल है, 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा। इजी डिफिकल्ट वे में मत सोचो, इजी वे में सोचो। ओके, सरिता इज गिविंग द आंसर ऑल्सो। क्या हुआ? चलो देखते हैं। करना कैसे है मैम? वही तो है, करना कैसे है, दैट्स वाई दिस इज लॉजिक। देखो कल्याणी, व्हाट हैपेंड? कल्याणी, मनीष, व्हाट हैपेंड? कल्याणी, मनीष, आंसर, व्हाई आंसर इज नॉट कमिंग? देखो सी, पूरा क्लीन, रिफ्रेश हो जाओ, पूरा दिमाग को क्लीन कर लो एंड वट एवर आई एम टेलिंग थिंक लॉजिकली। कोई भी रूल्स लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है, नो नीड टू अप्लाई एनी रूल्स, ट्राई टू थिंक लॉजिकली। फर्स्ट वन इज टेलिंग A implies B and B implies C, तो what it is? A implies B and B implies C. What it is? It is nothing transitive property. It is nothing but transitive property. A implies B and B implies C means it is A implies C. What? है या नहीं है? ये transitive property है क्या नहीं है? By using transitive property you know already and there is the rule. So transitive property तो सबको पता, ठीक है, करो ना। ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी तो सबको पता है, राइट? सो A implies B, A implies C हो रहा है, तो इट इज A implies C, तो यहाँ पे A implies C है, मीन्स दिस इज टोटोलॉजी, दिस इज टोटोलॉजी। इफ A implies B is telling that A implies C, means this is valid, this is valid, right? Tautology means what? That is valid or not? Yes, it is valid, right? Now next one, so it is valid, it is tautology. Now next one, B option is little bit different. B को आप ऐसे solve नहीं कर सकते हो, B option is little bit different. You cannot solve option B easily. So whenever any option is coming that is you cannot solve easily, so just skip it. That is the strategy. कोई भी ऑप्शन अगर आपको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है उसको स्किप करो, पहले उसको स्किप करके देखो बाकी ऑप्शन आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो या नहीं, ठीक है? इफ यू कैन सॉल्व इजीली देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द आंसर, राइट? नाउ कम टू द ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी। ऑप्शन सी इज सेम, हियर इट वाज A and B and C, what it is? A and B and C is true. If A and B and C is true, then what it is? A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1, obviously. Obviously it will be true when all are true, right? Right or wrong? When all are true, then only it will come true. A, B, C, 1, 1, 1, then only it will be true. Now from here you get that A is 1 and C is 1. So if C is 1 and A is 1 and there is the OR, it will be definitely 1, right? It will be definitely 1, that is true. So both are true. If this is true, then also this is true, right? So it is also tautology, it is also valid. Whenever it is true, it will also true. वैलिड मतलब क्या है? ये अगर ट्रू होगा तो वो भी ट्रू होगा, राइट? दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू, सो इट इज ऑल्सो टॉटोलॉजी। नाउ A implies B implies A, so how to solve it? How to solve it? A implies B implies A. For this one you can do like that. you can apply easily, you can create a truth table. Try to create a truth table of A, B and A, there was B implies A, right? That is B implies A. B implies A was the truth table, and finally it is coming that A implies B implies A, right? Easily you can create the truth table, that is false, false, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So, B implies A. When B implies A, false, false is true. Now, true, this is true, this is false. B implies A. Remember that it is not A implies B. It is B implies A. So, if B is true and A is false, then it is false. P implies Q. When P implies Q is false, when P is true, Q is false, then it is coming false. Here B is true and A is false. That's why this is false. If this is false, if this is true, then it is true, and true, true is true, right? Now here A implies B implies A, means P implies Q. We can write ki A is P and B implies A is Q. Here that is my Q and there A is my P. Try to think like that, ki this is P and this is Q, right? So here false, true. Here it is P is false and this is true. So false, true is true. Again here P is false and Q is false. False, false is true. True, true, that is true. True, true, that is true. All are coming true. When all are coming true, here A implies, here A is true, so B implies A must be true. Yes. Yes, that was that logically you can think. If you are not able to think logically, then you can solve in this way also. I am showing you the alternative way, that if you are not able to think logically, then you can do by truth table also. So for everyone you can do like truth table also, but using truth table is not a good thing. Try to think logically. Here it is given, keep A implies B implies A, P implies Q. So here P is true. If P is true, then B implies A. So B implies A will be true always. That will be true always, means it is also true. So this is true, this is true, this is true. How true, ma'am? From truth table. Riddhima, I think you did not watch the recording. I think you did not watch the recording, okay? We can also apply rule, yes? You can also apply rule also. Truth table we have discussed in the first class, I think. In the first class we have discussed when in truth table, in also last class, in also yesterday also I told you, if in truth table all is coming true, then that is tautology, that is valid. Try to understand the concept, Riddhima, otherwise you will be not able to solve. Try to concentrate and try to understand the concept, try to watch the recording again and again. ठीक है, नहीं तो आप समझ नहीं सकते हो, that is logic. Logic समझना है तो आपको थोड़ा concentrate करना है, ठीक है. So this all are true. When all are coming true, that is tautology. We know when in truth table everyone is coming true, that is tautology. Yes, Sunita, you can apply rules also. Using rules also you can apply. Whatever you wish. I am showing you different type of possibility, that how you can solve. Now whatever easy is for you, you can apply that. Whatever easy for you, you can apply the rule of P implies Q, that is not P or Q. In that way also you can solve. Whatever way you have, that is easy for you, try to solve in that way. Okay? Your ultimate focus is that you have to get the answer. Anyhow you have to get the answer. That is the ultimate focus. Okay, I am showing you every option. Whatever you like, you can do it in your way. Okay, now try to solve. It is clear to everyone? Kalyani, Manish, everyone. 3 live learners is there. Kalyani, Manish, Sarita, Riddhima, Sunita, and others are not replying. Shomo is there, Vanu is there. एक बार अटेंडेंस दोगे प्लीज? कौन कौन हो लाइव? प्लीज for once give me the attendance that who is the 13 learners. I can see 13 live learners. I can see 13 live learners are there, but I am not able to see their name. Kalyani, Sunita, Sarita, Riddhima, Manish. 5 is there. What about others? 5 is there. बाकी 8 कहाँ है? Oh, Vanu is there. Vanu is there. Another 6. Another 6. Now 13 से 12 हो गया. ठीक है ठीक है. अटेंडेंस देने का जरूरत नहीं है यार. नो अटेंडेंस. प्लीज क्लास करते रहो. अगर आपको साइलेंट रह के क्लास करना है प्लीज साइलेंट ही रहो. नहीं करना है, अटेंडेंस नहीं देना है, मत जाओ क्लास से. क्लास करो यार. कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है अटेंडेंस देने का. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट डू अटेंडेंस. जब भी मैं बोलूँ कि अटेंडेंस देना है तो नहीं दे रहा है, बाकी जा रहा है लाइव से. साइलेंट लर्नर्स. यस यस यस, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है ठीक है. They are going, they are watching silently, and when I am giving that they are going, they are leaving the class. I don't know why. What is the problem? So which of the following are equivalent? Try to okay. No need to give the attendance. You are learning from me, that is okay. No need to give the attendance. Okay. So please solve it. No problem, no problem. Carry on. Whatever you carry on, no need to show me that you are this. No need to show me. So please try to solve this one. Try to solve this one. Next question. Question number 2. Which of the following are equivalent? C? Okay, everyone is giving the answer. Very good. Which of the following are equivalent? Everyone is giving the answer. So how to solve it? It is actually P plus Q bar, right? It is actually P plus Q bar. From here also you can get कि P bar dot Q. P bar dot Q bar उसके ऊपर है whole bar. P bar dot Q bar ऊपर whole bar है. So it will become P double bar plus Q bar, right? Means P plus Q bar. Right? Option B is coming like that. P double bar, that is P plus Q bar. So that are both are same. Now for the option 3. Now how to solve the option 3? So for the option 3, you can solve it in a different way. That is, you can solve it using the Karnaugh map. So I am showing you how to solve using Karnaugh map. Try to apply the digital logic here. So option 3 was P and Q or P and not Q, or not P and not Q, right? P and Q, P and not Q, or not Q and not P, right? So we can, in digital logic, we can write P dot Q plus P dot Q bar plus P bar dot Q bar, right? In that way we can write P dot bar Q bar. Now using Karnaugh map. How to use the Karnaugh map? This is the Karnaugh map, right? Karnaugh map is like that. Here is Q bar, here is Q. What we are doing? There is 0, there is 0, and there is 0, there is 1, and there is 0, there is 1. In that way we are writing, right? So this is P bar and this is P, right? In Karnaugh map we are writing like that. This is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 1, 0, this is 1, 1, right? In that way we are writing. So what it is? Here it is PQ. Here it is PQ, means it will become here PQ. PQ is here. Now here there is PQ bar. PQ bar means P is here, Q bar is here. So PQ bar is this, and P bar Q bar. Here there is P bar, here there is Q bar. So here you can write. Now using Karnaugh map we can do it. We can do like that, right? So what will be your answer? From this one the answer will be P bar and P will be cancelled. So Q bar will come, and from this one Q bar and Q will be cancelled. So P will come. So ultimate result is coming same, that is P plus Q bar. So option 1 was also P plus Q bar. Option 1 was also P plus Q bar. Option 2 was also P plus Q bar. Option 3 is also coming P plus Q bar. That is also coming P plus Q bar, right? So everyone is coming same, means 1, 2, 3 is coming same. So definitely the option will be C, that is 1, 2 and 3. That is the option. No need to solve the option 4. If you want, you can solve the option 4 in digital logic also. If you want, you can solve the same way, that is in digital logic way. You can solve the option 4 also. The option 4 will give you different result. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct option. Option C is the correct answer. So Riddhima, if you are getting confused to solve in that way, then try to convert the implication in or and. Try to convert whatever implication is there. Here in the first question the implication is there. If you are facing issue, then try to convert all the implication P implies Q like that, all the implication in that way, that is not P or Q, not P plus Q, in that way. And after that you can apply digital logic, you can apply Karnaugh map. Using K map also you can solve. Anyhow, any way, I am showing you different way. Whatever possible, whatever is easy for you, you can apply. Okay. Now got it? How to solve? Clear to everyone? Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? I think no doubt. So this is the answer. Yes. Now this is the question of August 2016. This is the question of UGC NET August 2016. Try to solve it. It is very easy, right? Yesterday we have solved that, right? It was done. It was done yesterday. It was done. Yesterday we have done this. We have done this yesterday. Try to solve next. This one. Try to solve this one. No, this one was done. Next question, next. The NET August December 2016, this question try to solve. Riddhima, so many way I have shown you, try to apply. You have to apply your knowledge. I have shown so many way, right? You can apply digital logic, you can apply 0, 1, you can apply truth table, you can apply Karnaugh map, anyhow, whatever your choice. Whatever your choice, I have shown so many method. So many method, all the method I have shown you. So whatever your choice. Veer Raghavan, Raghavan, I think you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And your answer is not correct. Sorry, your answer is not correct. I am asking this one, Q. I am not asking this one. This one is already done. B. Raghavan, if you are answering this question number 1, then you are correct. It is satisfiable but not valid. But if you are doing question number 2, I am asking question number 2. So the answer, I am asking for that answer of question number 2. What happened everyone? Solve करो, क्या हुआ? Shall I show how to solve? How to solve? What was the question? Apply your knowledge. Whatever knowledge you have, try to apply. Not P and Q. After that it was and, not, and was there, there was, sorry. Yes, Sunita, I saw that you give answer. I saw that. I am solving for the others. Very good, Sunita, Manish, Sunita, Prachi, Sarita. Yes, everyone is correct. Good, very good, very good. Very good, everyone is correct. Now I am showing you how to solve for the others. For the others who are not able to solve. P, R. That this was the question. Not P, Q, then there was and, then not P, then and P, then or PR, right? So here we can write like that. It was the question. So it is P bar dot Q whole bar, right? And here was and, again p bar dot q bar whole bar, right? And there was plus p dot r. In that way we can solve, right? Now here there was whole bar. Here we can apply De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's law, it will be p double bar plus q bar, right? And here it will be p double bar plus q double bar, and here it will be p dot r, right? So it will be actually p plus q dot p plus q dot p dot r, right? It is coming, sorry, p plus q bar dot p plus q dot p dot r, right? So from here it will be p dot p plus p dot q bar plus p dot q plus q bar dot q plus p r, right? If you multiply, just multiply this p plus p q bar, it is coming like that. So now from here p is there, so p plus p q bar plus p q plus there is q bar is 0 plus p r, right? Now from all if you take common p, I can take common p. If I take common p, it will be 1 plus q bar plus q plus r, right? Now 1 plus anything, 1 plus x, 1 plus anything is always 1, right? That is p1. 1 plus anything, that is 1, we have learned just now, right? So that is coming p, that is coming p. P, answer is p, answer is p, answer coming p, right? p q bar double bar, then this is, yes, p double bar, and here p double bar means q, and here pq, p bar, then pp, pq bar, then pq, then qq bar, p bar, then p plus pq bar plus pq 0, pr, then 1, yes, p is the answer, p is the answer. Got it? This is another way of solving, like digital logic simplification using rules, whatever rules you know, using rules you can do. Third and fourth line mistake, whatever mistake, what mistake? What is mistake? क्या मिस्टेक है? Third and fourth line, this one is p bar q double bar, then dot p bar dot q bar whole bar, then pr, it is done. Then this line is using De Morgan's law, p bar plus q bar. What mistake? Plus pr. Yes, there is plus pr. Here is pr. Here is pr dot pr. pr is here. What mistake? There was pr. pr was there in the question. Third row plus pr is missing. Here is pr. What pr is missing here? Okay, here plus. Okay, plus. Yes, there is plus. Yes, there is plus. Yes, there is plus. Definitely this is plus. Here we are doing the multiplication only with this. There we are doing multiplication with this. Here is plus. By mistake I have written that is plus. Because this why it is plus PR is coming here. We are doing the multiplication only this. This one is doing the multiplication. PP that is PP, then PQ that is PQ bar, then PQ, then QQ bar. Now it is okay? Yes, it is plus. It is plus. It was plus. Now it is okay, right? So it is coming PP, PQ bar, PQ, QQ bar. Then it is PR. Then PP is P and PQ bar. Then PQ, QQ bar is 0 and PR, this is PR. Now you are common, P common. Then there is 1. So 1 plus anything, 1 plus X is always 1. Now that's why it is 1. Now 1 into P, 1 multiply with anything, that is P. So answer is P. Right? Done? Full marks now. Okay. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you. Thank you. So can I give some homework? Can I give some homework? 2 days is holiday. Saturday and Sunday is holiday. So I am giving some homework. I want to give some homework. Can I give some homework? That are the previous year's question only. That are the previous year's question only I will give. I am giving some homework. Okay, this is done. This is done. Okay. So this is the result. Result is here. P is correct. So this is your homework. Before that I want to give another homework. It is there. Another homework. Try to write down a homework. The propositional logic statement is propositional logic nahi, propositional statement is, that is F1. F1 is P implies not P, and F2 is P implies not P or not P implies P. Please write down everyone. It is the previous year's question, November 2017. November 2017 UGC NET नवंबर 2017 का क्वेश्चन है. सो देन द ऑप्शन इज, ऑप्शन ए इज F1 is satisfiable. F1 is satisfiable. F2 is valid. And option B is F1 is unsatisfiable. Unsatisfiable, and F2 is unsatisfiable. F2 is satisfiable, and option C is F1 is unsatisfiable, and F2 is valid, and option D is F1 is F1 and F2, F1 and F2 both are satisfiable. Okay, this is your homework. This is your first homework. This is homework number 1. The propositional statement is F1 equals to P implies not P, and F2 equals to P implies not P or not P implies P. So option A is F1 is satisfiable, F2 is valid. Option B is F1 is unsatisfiable, F2 is satisfiable. Option C is F1 is unsatisfiable, F1 is unsatisfiable and F2 is valid. And option D is F1 and F2 both are satisfiable. This is the first homework. Done. Please write down the homework, then I will give you next homework. So for the weekend I will not give you any rest. No rest. And I will send some homework in it is done, everyone, it is done. Done? Okay, now I am giving another homework. Another homework, this is also UGC NET November 2017. This is also NET 2017 question, that is let PQR is a proposition. PQR is a proposition. ठीक है, proposition, and assume that the equivalence P equivalent Q or not Q. It is given the equivalence P equivalence Q or not Q and Q equivalence R holds. Okay, it is given that P equivalence Q or not Q and Q equivalence R holds. Then truth value of the formula, P and Q lies P and R or S is always option 1 is true, option 2 is false, option 3 is same as truth table and truth table of Q, same as truth table of Q, and option 4 is same as truth table of S. Okay, this was the next homework. This is the next homework. PQR is proposition. Assume that equivalence P equivalence Q or not Q and Q equivalence R holds. Then truth value of the formula, that is P and Q implies P and R or S is always true, First one is true, second one is false, third one is same as truth table of Q, fourth one is same as truth table of S. Okay. Okay, done. Done. Okay, and this one and this three, first one, second one, third one, try to solve. This one is valid or not? These all are valid or not? Okay. So after the class, please check that. Please check after the class and write down all the question and try to solve. Try to solve, okay? So 5 home tasks. You have 5 home tasks. Okay. So please send me all of your home tasks and try to learn in the weekend. Try to clear your concept in weekend, and Monday we will solve more previous year's question. Try to clear your concept. Monday we will solve more previous year's question from propositional logic from UGC NET and GATE. Okay. So good night everyone. It's already 11 past 13. I'm sorry really. Till now you are in YouTube live at 11 past 13 already. So thanks everyone. Thanks for your patience. So meet you again in Monday. Have happy weekend and happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Independence Day to me is, that is independent of the woman. Every woman should be independent. So that is my request to all women, try to be independent. Independence Day to me only, that is for India, all women should be independent. That is for me, Independence Day. So I am requesting you all, Sunita, Sarita, Vanu, Sujata and Kallani and Riddhima, Prachi, others, anyone, Kallani, Sarita, Riddhima, Sunita, anyone, all, for all the ladies, and for all the girls, this is my request. This Independence Day, please promise yourself that I have to be independent. I should be independent. I will be not dependent to anyone. Don't depend with anyone. Okay. And thank you everyone. Happy Independence Day. Happy weekend. Bye bye. Yes ma'am, our thought is yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day. And hopefully you will be independent. All women should be independent in the India. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Bye.